We live in a world of ideas. Everyone's setting out to do something different, to make something different. These ideas deserve to be fully, completely, totally realized. And we are transforming the way designers and industries do just that. We are helping these ideas come to life in the most incredible ways by expanding our 3D printing portfolio with new solutions. We are exploding into full color. We are expanding beyond plastics into metals. And we are partnering with industry leaders that share our vision. Together, we are changing how the world designs and manufactures today and removing the limits to drive the next digital industrial revolution, voxel by voxel.